These are good places to find them.
Bless you. You must be allergic.
Easter eggs are freezing.
How many do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
I think there's another around here somewhere. I see it. It's up here somewhere. What do you like to ride?
My bicycle.
You don't see an egg?
Now I got 5.
I think that's all there is.
No.
But look over at Danny's house. Look at the back of the truck.
I know. Is that mine?
No, I think it's Andy's.
Should we go check?
Well, it's on his side of the road, so yeah, it's his.
I have no idea, because the Easter Bunny might make a mistake. So, we should go check because the Easter, we have names on them.
That's right, but...
And if I could read it, I could know.
You gonna look left, look right, look left again? Go ahead, go to the end of the street.
I don't have my things tied.
Well, I guess you're gonna have to be careful. Then you should just stay on this side, because that's Andy's egg. You wanna go read it? That's a good...
We have to read it because we don't know if the bunny made a mistake or not. So wherever we see Easter eggs, there might be mine. So we have to. Okay.
Okay. Whose name?
Hey, Andy.
Ah.
You made a trick on Andy.